Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing the unboxing of this X-treme big set. I got the exclusive night mail or mail night at 385 BS, and it comes with a circle ghost 779 65 a rubber tip. Rubber Excel and ball. That's on the circle ghost. And then Hell, a hammer, incendio, the cool blue. A weird brown 455 with a point, then metal needle. But yeah, let's get into this now. Opening from the bottom makes it a lot easier. I will be putting on probably Hell's Hammer, Circle Ghost, 965. Yeah, 965 ball. Then Hell's Hammer. No, 445, then, yeah. Let's see how I'll do that for parts. I'm really surprised I got this early. Oh god, no. Actually, oh, really? Okay. Here's how it looks. More tape, and more tape. Oh, and yeah, let me get that. There. Shit. To do it. Four parts. Let me get this situated. Yeah. 1 second. Okay. Oh shit. Yeah, sorry, I was listening to do something, but yeah. There's night mail, or mail night. QR code. This slight piece of shit. Sorry. And then the bit. But yeah. And there we go. Then this school display. I love this. I want them to do this but red QR code. I'm matching the blue color. There we go. And finally, 445 and ball. And that leaves me with Rubber Excel. Nice to have this, add this to my collection. And this horrible Stadium Destroyer Metal Shark. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.